Hey there, puzzle solvers! Welcome to a very special mission. Today, we're going to learn how to crack the code on some really big math puzzles. Are you ready? Let's do this.
Okay, to kick off our mission, let's get our brains warmed up with a quick puzzle. So in this problem, the answer, 195, actually has a special name. Any ideas what it's called? Go ahead and think about it, and hold on to that thought. We're about to find out.
First up, math's secret code. You know, to be a really great code breaker, you've got to learn the secret language. Every super solver knows these words, and now you're going to know them too.
Our first secret code word is sum, and all that is the fancy name for the answer you get when you're adding numbers together. Pretty simple, right?
So, what about the numbers that you're actually adding up? Well, they have a cool name too. They're called addends. So you take the addends, add them together, and you get the sum. See?
And here it is, the answer to our very first puzzle. Remember that problem we started with, the number 195? Well, its special name is the difference. So anytime you subtract, the answer is always the difference.
Okay, this next one is my absolute favorite. The number that you're taking away is called the subtrahend. Isn't that a fun word? Let's say it together. Sub-tra-hend. It's a super cool word for a really important number.
Okay, so let's put it all together. This right here, think of it as your secret math decoder ring. If you see sum or addend, you know we're adding. And if you see difference or subtrahend, you know we're subtracting. Just like that, you know the code. All right, you've totally learned the secret code words. So now it's time to put them to the test on our first real mission. Let's get into it.
Whoa, okay, look at this. Now, this might look a little tricky, but I promise it's not. The secret is that equal sign right in the middle. I want you to think of it like a seesaw. Both sides have to be perfectly balanced, exactly the same.
We can crack this thing in 2 super easy steps. First, we're just going to solve the side of the problem that has all of its numbers. And then we'll use that answer to figure out the missing piece on the other side. Okay, step 1. Let's solve the side we already know. 576 minus 313 gives us 263? Awesome. So now we know that both sides of our seesaw have to equal 263 to be balanced. See? This makes our mission so much simpler. Now all we have to do is ask, what number plus 125 equals our magic number 263? And to find our missing piece, we just subtract 125 from 263, which gives us 138. We found it! The equation is balanced. Mission complete. You guys are doing an amazing job. So get ready for the next level, the number flow challenge. This is where every step builds on the last one. It's going to be fun. Check this out. Here's our mission map. We're going to start at 731 and then follow the paths to find the secret values of A, B, and C. It's kind of like a math treasure hunt. Okay, first stop on the map. Let's find the value of A. We need to solve 731 minus 148. Go ahead, take a second to think about it. What do you think A is? Did you get 583? If you did, that's it. A is 583. Now here's the really cool part. We get to use this answer to find the next secret number. So for our next step, we take our new number, 583, and we just follow the map. We subtract 219. So what does that give us for the value of B? Yes, you got it. The answer is 364. See how each answer just kind of flows right into the next step? We are so close to the end of our treasure map. Okay, here we go. The final step in our treasure hunt. To find the value of C, we take our last answer, 364, and we add 296. What do we get? Awesome. Incredible work. The final value at the end of our path is 660. You just solved a multi-step number flow challenge. Go ahead, give yourself a pat on the back. You earned it. You have been amazing. You've learned the secret codes. You've balanced equations. You've finished the number flow challenge. So now it is time for one final mission to prove that you are a true math puzzle master. This is it, your final mission. Just remember the steps we learned for balancing our seesaw. Solve the complete side first, and then figure out the missing piece. I'll give you a quiet moment to solve it. You can totally do this. And the missing number is 320. Did you get it? That is absolutely fantastic. You have officially 100% become a math puzzle master.
So today, you built your very own code-breaking toolkit. Just remember these super skills. Know your math words, solve one side of the equation first, break big problems into small steps, and use your answer from one step to solve the next one. These tools are going to help you solve any puzzle.
And always remember this one last, very important secret. Every big, tricky problem is really just a few small, easy problems all stuck together. And that's true for math, and, well, it's true for everything. Keep practicing and keep solving. You guys are awesome.